I was recently on holiday and had my dashcam on. Take a closer look at the person with the Ford Galaxy that will overtake me. I will let you watch it and then take you through from the driver's perspective. Oh, that's me. So I was traveling roughly about 86 kilometers per hour. The speed limit was 90 kilometers per hour. My speed showed 90. Of course, there is 3-4 kilometers less. So this guy came behind me and there is a yellow line that you can't cross, but he overtook me, doesn't matter. So if I stop it here, you probably can't quite see. There is some head at the front seat by the driver. The driver is on the left side. And there is some head, but it's not really quite a head. And I move it forward and stop it again. This is not a head, these are balloons. So the whole car, I mean even the whole car was filled with balloons. That's why I titled this video The Balloon Guy, because the whole car was really filled with balloons. Left, right and center, up, down, back, left, everywhere there were balloons. The view was really obstructed. You can see how the side mirror, he probably couldn't quite see the side mirror because the balloons were at the front seat. I mean, I suspect he was going to a birthday party and he had to fill them up. I suspect that's a bit not quite safe because he couldn't really see anything. I mean, I suspected you could drive it like a van, only use the side mirrors, but the side mirrors were blocked by these balloons. I mean, you cannot, there is a corn on the left side of the road, but you can't really see anything through it, so the rear view mirror is also blocked by all of these balloons. Well, that was it. That was my dashcam videos from my holiday. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you very much indeed for watching.